Hello there, this is a new project. It's a project that will show the temperature, the speed and the memory used by the Raspberry Pi Zero that I'm using at the moment. And I'm using Tony and Python 3. Okay, on the card I'm using the vcgencmd to read the CPU temperature and the clock speed. Okay, but also make sure that you got all the correct library, and you can see if the libraries are missing. I have add on the script, I've add a line how to get them via terminal, Linux terminal. Alright, I think I've covered everything, and yes, well, have a fantastic day, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Ciao.